This is the Yansoo front and inside 1080p dual dash cam. Let's take it out of the box. So here's everything you get in the box. You get the instruction booklet. They give you I call this a spudger tool. It's just to help you get the, the molding off your car so you can run the wire easier. You can use this, you can use a flat blade screwdriver, anything you want to make it easier for you. Suction cup mount, as you see right here, which would attach to the camera. Little cleaning cloth for the screen. A microSD card reader, plugs in USB, other end microSD right there, so you can just plug that in to read whatever card you have in the camera. There is no card included, but it will accept up to a 64 gigabyte card. They give you a USB cable, USB to mini B connector, and of course the cigarette lighter plug, complete with USB port so you can continue to charge your phone or other USB device while this is plugged in and working for you. Other end of that, of course, goes to the same mini B connector. Move this out of the way, and here is the dash cam itself. And over here, like I said, it's front and inside. So you have a 2-inch screen right here. This is your inside camera. There's screen protectors and lens protectors I'm going to peel off later. Turn that up and down to get the best angle so it can see you like that. IR emitters, as you see right there, for night vision. And around the front you have the lens itself, just like that. Buttons on the bottom, which is nice because it's easy access. If you see something and want to save the clip, you can press the appropriate button and it's right there for you, so you don't need to worry about anything like that. Over here is where your microSD card plugs in, and the power plugs in up top over here. So this is, like I said, a front and inside, we'll turn it that way, front and inside dash cam. So this is going to see inside the cabin, great for Uber and Lyft drivers, any of those ride-sharing services like that. And of course, the other camera faces out the windshield. Records in 1080p on the front camera. Inside camera is at 720p. This also has all of the same features we've come to expect from dash cams in this day and age, such as loop recording, motion detection, a parking mode, so if somebody hits your car while it's parked, it can record that, and a G sensor as well. The G sensor is a gravity sensor. Basically, it knows if there's been a collision or really big bump or hard hit or something like that. And what the dash cam will do is that footage that it's recorded, that clip, will be saved and not able to be overwritten. So that way, in the event there were a crash or something like that, you would have that footage saved and it wouldn't record over that if the card was otherwise full. Otherwise, it will do loop recording like I had stated, which means that any of the old files, it's going to erase those and record new and go on from there. There's not much more to see or do here until we put it in the car, so what I'm going to do is put this up in the car. Once again, it's just a suction cup. You stick it up, run the wire down your A-pillar, plug it in, and you're good to go. It starts recording. Just put a microSD card in there. So we're going to switch over to footage that this camera has recorded. I'll show you the front and the inside views as we go along with that, and then we'll wrap this up. Now, as we go along here, I'm going to be cutting this video for time as well as speeding up sections of the video. So we're going to go out to the main road, which is up ahead. And now we are off on the main road. Next thing is the sound test. You've been hearing me so far, but we're going to go ahead and open the driver's window. It's a hot one today, and this is what I would sound like with the driver's window open, just to give you an idea. Some people like to drive with the windows open, others like the AC. I happen to like the AC, so I'm going to go ahead and
lucky that there would be a car ahead of me, but this time it looks like there's some sort of paving truck and no license plate that I can see. Just behind that car ahead so we can see what the license plate will look like. So I'll pull over here for a minute. And that license plate reads JKF1170. Back, safe and sound.
So once again, this was the Yansoo front and inside 1080p dual dash cam. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.